Welcome to F1 Blogs. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for more in-depth coverage. The pre-season tests conducted by Aston Martin in Bahrain left many questions unanswered. While other teams, such as McLaren and Ferrari, focused on race simulations, and Carlos Sainz pushed for fastest laps in his Williams, Aston Martin took a different approach. Their sessions were marked by non-competitive lap times, running on soft tyres during the least favourable track conditions. The team did not engage in full race simulations, choosing instead to execute 10-lap stints with a heavy fuel load, testing different compounds and setups. Fernando Alonso ended pre-season testing with the 16th fastest time, while his teammate, Lance Stroll, clocked in at 10th. However, these results do not reflect the true performance of the AMR25. According to team ambassador Pedro Martinez de La Rosa, lap times were never the primary objective of the tests. A strategic testing program. De La Rosa, a veteran of the sport and key figure within Aston Martin, explained the team's plan. "We didn't do any race simulations, it wasn't in the plan. We completed several long stints of 10 laps using C1 and C2 compounds, but our main goal was to improve the car's predictability. For 2025, we aim to make the car easier to drive and, of course, faster. We felt that completing a full race simulation under these cold conditions wouldn't provide us with useful data. Reliability is not a concern, since these cars are similar to the 2024 models, and with these temperatures, we wouldn't gain much knowledge about the tires." De La Rosa also pointed out that lap times from testing are not always indicative of true performance. Is Williams the team to beat? The times are what they are, but we followed our own program and did not chase lap times. If we had pushed and still found ourselves at the back, then there would be a reason to worry, but that's not the case. Both Aston Martin drivers were not at their physical best during testing. Fernando had a rough night between Thursday and Friday due to a cold, but he was in much better condition than Lance. Lance made a huge effort to get into the car, complete laps, and help execute the program, De La Rosa revealed. Building a stronger car with better resources. With significant changes coming to the team, including the future arrival of engineering legends like Adrian Newey and Enrico Cardile, Aston Martin finds itself in a transition phase. However, De La Rosa emphasized that the team is already seeing improvements. "It's not just about Newey, he's a big name, and he will bring a lot to the team, but our short-term advantage compared to last year comes from better tools. The wind tunnel and simulator have been huge steps forward, and our factory is now running at full capacity. We can design and manufacture new parts much faster, making us far more agile." Though he did not express unwarranted optimism, De La Rosa remains realistic and hopeful for the 2025 season. "We have to improve, and we have to push hard, just like every year," he said. The team's development will soon get a boost when Adrian Newey walks through the factory doors in Silverstone to begin his work. A season of growth ahead. Aston Martin's approach to testing was different from other teams, and it may have left many fans wondering about their true potential. While lap times were not impressive, the team focused on laying the foundation for a more stable, predictable, and competitive car. The 2025 season will be a challenge, but with strong resources, talented drivers, and a long-term plan in place, Aston Martin remains a team to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content and analysis from the world of Formula One.